Seed saving. Seed saving is tons of fun and you can do it at home. But before you learn about seed saving itself, it's important to learn some terms and learn about what you are saving and know how to know if it is the right seed to save. It will be important to know what heirloom or open pollinator plant are, as well as what a hybrid is. This is important because seed saving should only be done with heirlooms or open pollinated plants. Please avoid using seeds from hybrid plants. Open pollinated or heirloom are only varieties that will grow true from their seeds, which means that the seedlings will look exactly like the parents. A hybrid plant is a result when a plant breeder intentionally cross-pollinates two different plant varieties, producing a hybrid that contains the best qualities of each parent plant. In short, saving seeds from a hybrid doesn't guarantee that that same high-quality plant will grow from those seeds next year. Open pollinated or heirloom plants do produce the seeds that look exactly like their parent plant. This can be tricky unless you took good notes of which cultivator was planted and if it was a hybrid or not. If you don't know what cultivator is, it means a cultivated variety or just a plant type created and maintained by a plant breeder. Therefore, look for hybrid, heirloom, or open pollinator on the seed packet or look up the description in the seed catalog.